Come refill my refrigerator with me, because it's almost empty. Let's go grocery shopping. First, I grabbed some fresh fruit. But wait until you see my favorite item. We were completely out of these. I wasn't planning on buying snacks today. But I couldn't leave these behind. And somehow my cart ended up full. Let's put everything away. Fresh fruit, cold drinks, breakfast essentials, and of course, snacks. Look at that transformation. What item would you grab first?